You're so worthless. Eh?
You again.
You're just worthless,
Brother, hey, you got nothing better to do. Every day you're just chatting rubbish. Go to your yard. You're too old to be kicking ball, bro.
I'm gonna tell the inventor of football saying can't kick football. Pass the ball, give me. You ever seen nobody do this in their life? Eh? What you know about that? Eh? What you know about that? Eh? What you know about that? Eh? See where some breed that girl in. I see where some breed that girl in. I see where some breed that girl in.
Come, let me show you.
See where some breed that girl in.
That's some olden time skill, bro. Let me show you something new. Let me show you some new skills, stuff. Watch the new style, them unks, yeah?
Watch what this?
Let me show the new style.
Oh shit.
Yeah?
If he say them bag of skill, I gotta take him nowhere.
Show
eh?
them.
Let us what this so. And how much beer money I make with that? Eh? How much beer money you have? Zero. Worthless.
Blood clot.
Brother, stop arguing. Pass the bomb, club, man. Sure. Why did you turn?
Bro, I thought that was gonna hit me in the face.